please tell me a bit more about the Institute's strategic plan for the next couple of years in terms of technology and becoming more locally represented in Africa and in South Africa?
As you said, involvement in technology is one of our strategic efforts for the next few years, and that involves training. We're bringing into the Institute some new courses which have got which are slightly advanced in comparison with their some of the things that we do at the moment. And I can mention there, if we talk in terms of non-destructive testing in the first instance, that we're bringing into the Institute phased array and time of flight diffraction, which are advanced techniques, and these are used really to identify defects in welds, to find their exact location, to measure them, to size them, and then that information is then used in our integrity analysis. So people can decide, so the owners, the users of the equipment can decide if the equipment is fit for continued service, or fit to go into service for that matter as well. We're also trying to upgrade our technology centre, where we house our more advanced welding equipment, which we use for developing welding procedures. And one of the shortcomings of the Institute is that our testing equipment in this respect has been slightly basic. So we are spending money in the technology centre. We're bringing in tensile test machines and metallurgical equipment that will support it, and we will use it for our own purposes, but we'll also offer it as an independent service to other interested parties. Another aspect of our strategic development is to try and be more regionally representative, and this is a twofold kind of thing, in that we're trying to become more representative in South Africa. We want to have a presence in the major centres in South Africa. We have some form of organisations in Cape Town and Durban, for example, at the moment, but they're not backed up by facilities. Over a period of time we want to do something to improve that situation, so that the Institute is not thought to be just a Gauteng Institute of Welding, it's a South African Institute of Welding. We have done a lot of work for other countries in Africa, and we've got good relationships through that, and I think that there's an opportunity for the Institute to build partnerships with some of these local national organisations, and where we have got a level of expertise, we can make our contribution through into the partnership through offering that expertise, and that's one of my goals for the next 2 or 3 years.